Hello students, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to insert clipart and pictures in a Microsoft Word document and how to apply the formatting feature to both clipart and pictures. Now you can go to the start button and you can open Microsoft Office Word. New Microsoft Office Word window will appear. Now before inserting a clipart, you need to understand what Clipart is. Clipart is a collection of images that is provided in the Clipart gallery of Microsoft Office. So, if you want to insert the Clipart, you have to click on Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. Now we call this as a illustration group. In the illustration group, you can insert Clipart as well as picture. Now let me start with the Clipart. So click on this Clipart button. If you see at the right hand side, you will see a Clipart task pane. So in the Clipart task pane, click on the drop down arrow of all collection. Make sure that everywhere checkbox is clicked. This particular checkbox is clicked. Go to all media types and you have to click on this checkbox. You can search the images or directly click on go button. It will show you the list of cliparts that is available in the clipart gallery. Now let me insert one clipart. The picture has been inserted. Now if you look at the clipart, you will see 8 fill handles. So these fill handles are basically used to increase or decrease the size of the images. So if you want to increase, you can increase the size by clicking the fill handle. If you want to decrease it, so you can resize the picture by using a fill handle. Now see, I cannot move this picture as I have already showed you in previous video. So if you want to move the picture, you need to go to the text wrapping here and click on either square or tight. So click on one of these button. Now you can move your clipart to different position. Now I want to show you one more things. If you look at the menu bar, the last bar or the tab you can see is view tab. So once the picture or image is inserted, you will see an additional tab, that is format tab, under the picture tools. So these tabs is basically used to format the clipart. Let me enter one more clipart. Suppose say this marks. Again go to the text wrapping and click on square or tight so that you can move it into a different position. Now let me insert a picture. So the same process you have to follow. Click on insert tab. Now instead of clipart, click on picture button. So it will show you the list of pictures that is available in your computer. So click on any one of the picture. Suppose let me insert penguin. Click on penguin and click on insert button. The penguin has been inserted. So you can use the fill handles to increase or decrease the size of the picture. So this is my picture. Go to the text wrapping, click on square or tight so that you can move the picture to different position. Now let me walk with the formatting features. First you need to select the picture. Then if you want to increase the brightness, you can use the brightness, contrast. If you want to use the recolor it, you can go to the various options that you can recolor the images. So you can use all these options. Next is picture style. If you want to give the style to the pictures, click on the drop down arrow. You will see a list of picture style frame. You can use any of this frame you want to apply for the picture. Just simply click on it Now if you want to give the border to the picture, click on picture border. So whichever border you want, you can click it, the border will be applied. If you want to increase the size of the border, go to the weight and you can use any of these points. Now suppose if you want to give your own shape to the picture, let me click this image, go to the picture shape, and you can use any of the shapes from a picture shape button. So your picture will appear according to that shape. So you can also use a picture shape instead of picture style. Now next is picture effects. So click on the drop down arrow of the picture effects. You can use the presets. I want to show you the picture effects in this image. So select this image, go to the picture effects. You can use different types of presets, or you can go to the shadow. You can use different types of shadows. You can go to the reflections. You can use the reflections you want. Suppose see, you can see the reflection that is available there. Now let me select this image, go to the picture effects, presets. This is shadow. If you want to use the shadow, just click on the shadow, will appear at different places in the image. If you want to get the reflection, go to this reflection button and click on different options. You can see the reflections there. So whichever the reflections you like, you can give that particular reflections. If you want to use the 3D effects, just like in word art that we have done in the previous video, you can go to the 3D reflections and you can apply any of the reflection. Suppose say, let me select this image, again go to the picture effects, drop down arrow. Now I want to glow it, so you can click on different options here. Your picture will glow accordingly. So just click it. So you will get lots of picture effects in the picture effect drop down list. You can apply all of these one by one. So in this video I have showed you how to insert both clipart and picture. I have also showed you how to apply the formatting features. I hope you have understood it. You can open Microsoft Word, you can go through this video, insert clipart pictures, and you can use different formatting style to both clipart and picture. So thank you children. Again we will meet in the next class.